there, amazing English learners. Welcome back to the TalkUp English Channel. I'm Brian, and I'm here, as always, with my fantastic co-host.
Chloe. Hi, Brian, and a huge warm hello to everyone listening right now. We are so happy you're here, ready to practice your English with us.
Oh, yes. And actually, that's the first word we're going to talk about today.
Wait, Brian, you already started with one of the expressions?
Yep, I said actually. And that's exactly what today is all about. Natural, everyday English expressions that native speakers use all the time.
Exactly. These are the little words and phrases that don't always show up in textbooks, but they are everywhere in real life.
And if you learn how to use them, you'll sound so much more natural.
I think these expressions are like seasoning in cooking.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, without them, your conversation can feel a bit plain. But with them, it's full of flavor.
That's a great way to explain it. So today we'll focus on 6 of them. Actually, by the way, you know, guess what, I mean, and kind of.
And we won't just explain them. We'll use them in lots of little conversations so you can really understand how they work.
Exactly. Let's start with actually. Now, Chloe, how would you explain actually in simple words?
I'd say actually is a way to introduce true information, sometimes surprising, sometimes correcting someone, sometimes just adding a fact.
Yeah, like if someone says, you're from Australia, right? And you're from New Zealand, you say, actually, I'm from New Zealand.
Right. Or if your friend thinks you don't like ice cream, you can say, actually, I love ice cream.
And we also use actually when we change our mind or introduce something unexpected.
Example, I was going to stay home today. Actually, I might go out for a walk.
Perfect. Let's do a mini role play with actually. I'll start. Hey, Chloe, I heard you don't like coffee.
Actually, I drink coffee every morning. Who told you that?
Maybe I was thinking of someone else. Actually, maybe I should make us some coffee now.
See, you can use it in different parts of the sentence to add or change information.
And the pronunciation, it's often not act-to-le, but more like actually in fast speech.
Yes, but when you're learning, you can pronounce it clearly at first, and later, when you're comfortable, you can make it faster.
Good point. Okay, moving on. By the way,
This is a great one. We use by the way to change the topic or add extra information in a smooth way.
for example, I saw a good movie last night. By the way, have you seen the new superhero film?
Or, by the way, I saw your sister yesterday at the market.
Let's role play again. I'll start. So, Chloe, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking. By the way, have you been to that new hiking trail near the lake?
No, I haven't. But by the way, I think it's gonna rain tomorrow, so maybe we should wait before going.
See? It's like a bridge between two different ideas.
And sometimes we use it just before saying something we forgot to mention earlier.
Yes, like, oh, by the way, happy birthday.
Let's go to the next one. You know.
You know is one of those expressions that's everywhere in English. We use it to connect ideas, to give time to think, or to invite agreement.
Yeah, for example, learning English takes time.
Or, I really like this restaurant.
Sometimes we put it in the middle of a sentence, like, it's, really hard to find parking here.
Exactly. And you don't always literally mean, do you know? It's just a conversation filler.
Let's role play. Chloe, I've been thinking about learning Spanish.
Oh, really? That's great. I studied Spanish for 2 years in high school.
Did you? That's awesome. Maybe we can practice together.
See, it feels friendly and natural.
Okay, now guess what?
I love this one. We say guess what when we have exciting or surprising news.
Yeah, guess what? I just got a promotion.
Or guess what? I'm going to Japan next month.
And usually the other person just says, what? Or tell me.
Right. Let's role play. Guess what, Brian?
What?
I found your lost sunglasses.
Really? That's amazing.
It's fun because it creates suspense.
Okay, moving on. I mean.
We use I mean to clarify, explain, or soften what we just said.
For example, I liked the movie. I mean, the ending was a bit strange, but it was good.
Or, we could go to the park, but it's raining.
You can also use it when you're thinking. I mean, I guess we could try the new cafe.
Role play time. Brian, you never call me.
I mean, I've been really busy with work, but you're right. I should call more.
That's a good one.
And finally, kind of.
Kind of means a little or in some way.
Like, I'm kind of tired, or it's kind of cold today.
It's useful to make something sound softer. Instead of you're wrong, say you're kind of wrong.
Role play. Chloe, are you ready for the meeting?
Kind of. I still need to finish my notes.
Great example.
Now, I think we should mix all these expressions into one big natural conversation so our listeners can hear them together.
Yes, let's do it.
Hey, Brian, guess what?
What?
I saw your favorite band last night.
Actually, I didn't know they were in town. That's amazing.
Yeah, and by the way, they're playing again next weekend.
You know, I might try to get tickets.
The tickets are kind of expensive, but it's worth it.
Yeah, you're right. By the way, do you want some coffee?
Actually, yes. Thanks.
See, you can blend them naturally like that.
And our listeners can do the same in their own conversations.
Yes, practice them slowly, then speed up when you feel confident.
And remember, these phrases are not only about speaking. You'll hear them all the time in movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
So listen carefully, and when you hear one, repeat it, write it down, and try to use it yourself.
That's the secret to sounding fluent faster.
And actually, Chloe, I think that's a perfect note to end on.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe and share this episode with your friends.
Guess what? We'll be back very soon with another lesson.
I can't wait.
I mean, same here.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.